Going on, family? Your boy Phoenix checking in. Eating some of my mom's favorite recipe. Right now, I'm showing you what it is. Popcorn with hot salt on it. Something my mom used to like to eat all the time. I was just standing there thinking about networking, and I heard Too Short say something that really caught my attention. He said sometime when you're networking and you building your brand, releasing your music, you'll feel like you're just throwing stuff at the air. And you might feel like ain't nothing happening. But something is happening. You just can't see it. But it is happening. So stay focused on what you're doing. And take your time, man, and just enjoy life for a minute. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Today a good day. I heard Phoenix. I'm sitting on my little back deck, eating popcorn, drinking some water, just chilling. Found me a new cat that's been outside. He pretty much forced itself up on me. No. Pretty much forced itself up on me, so I called him Patience, because he had to have patience with me. So I got him out here with me. So I've been chilling with him, enjoying the day. But yeah, just remember that when you're working on your plan, on your brand, on your business, have patience. Don't give up and want to throw in the towel. Hold on, Black Phoenix, I'm out.